Kind of cold down here in Florida today. And we've got another radio from Jeff's collection. Here it is right here. It's a red GE AM radio. He recently bought 7 radios for one price, and turned out 3 of them were working. He says it has decent reception, and it has an unusual speaker. It's a magnetic reed speaker. It's about 1967 vintage, and we're going to try it out right now. Let's turn it on. He uses a 9-volt battery. This is on-off volume. Tuning dial here is right there. Let's start down at the bottom of the band. Whoops. Oh, real easy to tune. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, it wants to. I'm gonna have to change my setup because the AM stations are that direction, so I have. Let me turn this down. So I have to turn the radio sideways. There we go.
You have been an expert, so for so many
Plenty
years
of volume.
in that
Wow.
region, you worked with...
Tune real slow here.
On Sunday, he did not turn the ball over. I don't even recall them coming close to getting an
A
interception.
little bit of noise in the background.
Baja. Así que vamos a ver. Así estamos. Hasta que llegue ya el 21 que viene ya.
Just started up the band, so we've been getting pretty good stations.
But in that southern Lebanon, and in that devastation, people started to ask questions.
Lock in pretty good.
Shut the door so we can get some peace and quiet from this little bastard. He's just so every morning. Can you tell him that you're live on a nationally syndicated radio show and he needs to pipe it down a little bit? Or are you one of those snowflakes ass dads that are afraid to...
Spiritual hope. And now today, ever since October 8th,
Nice and clear.
To win the war against Vladimir Putin. That was enter the house. Good idea to enter or not. Most people would have entered the house.
Oop. Music.
He's good, yeah? Óyeme, y se quería caer aquello.
Music. That's it. There's one more there. If I can get it. Music. Okay. Very, very good condition. There's the earbud jack. Like I said, it's 9-volt. Very good condition. Yeah. Kind of like that. Got a little chip right here. That's about it. That's it. Well, thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. I want to thank you for stopping by and watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.